All right, Nicolette, you ready?
I am, yeah.
Okay, 1, 2. Turn us down a bit.
You're going to hand me a mic?
And now I'm going to wave it at you. Okay. All right. All right. Yeah. Yep. Okay. So, Nicolette, congratulations on launching QuickBooks Self-Employed. What exactly is QuickBooks Self-Employed?
Thank you, Sholto. We are so delighted to be launching QuickBooks Self-Employed today. It is a comprehensive solution for Australia's self-employed, which enables them to gain control of their business finances, all in their pocket. And in an Intuit world first, we're launching this exclusively as a mobile app available now in the App Store and Google Play.
So, leading question, who are Australia's self-employed? Who is this app intended for?
So Australia's self-employed are 1 million contractors, individual consultants, freelancers, people who run their own business, but their time is their money. So they're people who frequently are on the go. They might be people who drive a car for a living or do photography, deliver flowers, lots and lots of different industries where people are on the go. They're needing to use their time to make money, and they don't usually have a lot of time to be able to think about their business. So this is an app that helps them take control of their business finances and get some really important insights as to how their business is running, as well as saving them heaps of time around tax time.
So QuickBooks Self-Employed, a cloud app, browser-based, also runs as a mobile app. What are the main differences between Self-Employed, QuickBooks Self-Employed, and QuickBooks Online, the full-featured cloud accounting program?
So the primary difference in Australia is this is only available as an app in the App Store. So this is your business in your pocket. It's a very, very simple way to get started, and it offers the key features that self-employed people need to run their business. The majority of those, if we talk to people who are self-employed, they tell us that they want to be able to do more business tasks on the go and on their mobile. And predominantly what they're asking for is help me store receipts, help me track my expenses, and in particular untangle my business and personal expenses, and help me create and send invoices. So they're 3 of the main features of QuickBooks Self-Employed. A 4th feature, which is a massive delighter and very relevant to self-employed, is automatic mileage tracking. So if you think of someone who's self-employed, they're driving around using their car for both business and personal use. QuickBooks Self-Employed tracks your mileage with every trip in the app automatically, and you can swipe left or right to classify them as business or personal trips, enabling you to maximise your tax deductions at the end of the financial year. And then finally, it gives a really simple way of helping people understand their cash flow and their profit and loss, bringing all of that together into one comprehensive solution.
And it connects to all the apps in the Intuit ecosystem, or the ones that QuickBooks Online connects to?
Right now, we connect with Square in Australia, which is fantastic, helping people get paid faster. We will be building more app connections over time, so we'll announce those as we go, and we're really excited to be on this journey.
And tell me, how does it work with accountants? So, is there a role for accountants then with this product?
Absolutely, and this is actually a golden opportunity for accountants and bookkeepers to serve this market of self-employed. So 1 million self-employed in Australia often don't have a relationship with an accountant or a bookkeeper. They're often trying to do it all themselves. So this enables accountants and bookkeepers to build that relationship and to get more insight into this self-employed business to be able to help advise them more proactively.
Okay, terrific. And I'm just thinking, if the app is so simple to use and these people are not going to have a ton of transactions, what type of work does an accountant or bookkeeper need to do then for these people?
Yeah, so the simplicity of the app means that self-employed people won't need to have a shoebox full of receipts. They won't need to have a paper logbook. And these are often the time-consuming and painful administrative tasks that self-employed spend a lot of time doing. Instead, they'll be able to get some insights on their business that'll help them work with their accountant or bookkeeper to have proactive advice on how to build their business, rather than lugging that shoebox of receipts or lugging that paper logbook to their advisor and spending all that time just trying to get the basics.
Okay, so say a consultant or someone who is self-employed decides to add a staffer and grow their business. How what's the upgrade path look like going from QuickBooks Self-Employed? Is it on the same basis QuickBooks Online?
It will be. Right now they're separate products. We're creating that upgrade path to give the opportunity for people who want to grow their business and move faster. What we've found is that the Self-Employed app actually works beautifully for self-employed for a significant part of their life. So this is not something that we expect a huge number of self-employed to need to upgrade to QBO. Having said that, it will be available, and that is certainly what we'll see for a subset of those people.
All right, Nicolette, thanks very much.
Thank you, Sholto.